Friends, I wanted to show you how you can let me know that you have completed your assignment. So today, and I told you guys in the message I sent this morning, but like, for example, today I sent everybody their lessons, but I did not require anything to be turned in because we're getting started and I don't want to overwhelm you. So, for example, this is what it's going to look like. Say that your baby is a student in virtual K-5. You are going to go to the classwork tab. All right, and I'm viewing this just like you are. I have my son in here as a pretend student, and so this should be exactly what you are seeing. All right, and so you click on your lesson, click down here at View Assignment. Once it pops up like this, you're going to click on today's lesson. You're going to view it as soon as my internet loads. The best way to view it is to click Present. Now it's full screen. And then I had already shown you, and it'll load. I've already shown you guys how to go through and, explore the rooms. But during present mode, when you click next, it's going to take you to each room. We've started off very slow today because I didn't want to overwhelm you. But when you are done, exit out of it by going up to your top tab. Let me fix this so you can see what I have going on here. Well, hold on one second. So up here, you would click exit, and then it takes you back to your lesson. And so, all right, so you can see. All right, and so then once you have viewed our lesson, you're going to go over here to your work. You're going to click Mark as Done. Now it's going to say you didn't attach any work, so your teacher will just see it's done. That's fine because it's nothing to turn in. So click Mark as Done. Had I asked you to attach something, you would have clicked the other button that said add your work, and you would have then submitted some work. But for these lessons, when I do not tell you to submit anything, all you're going to do is click that Mark as Done. I hope that this helps you guys. I'm so excited to get started with you. All right, bye guys.